How's it going? Ben here from Connected Car Solutions. We're sitting in a 2009 Aston Martin where we have replaced the factory screen with a high resolution HD replacement screen. We are able to use the factory system through the new screen, so we can switch back between that and the factory stick drawing navigation system, as well as vehicle options and that sort of thing. And we're able to add Apple CarPlay into the screen there. As well as that, we've also added a reverse camera. So when we switch into reverse, that'll switch back to the reverse camera there. And then we also have, we've got parking sensors. So we've also got ability to add a front camera as well, which some people like to opt for. As well as that, we use a controller which is just down here near your arm. So when your arm is resting on the armrest there, it's quite easy to reach this control dial, and that'll navigate through the options for your CarPlay. You'll be able to access your maps, your music, streaming services, audio books, messages, phone book, all those kind of apps from your phone all sync across, and they're able to be displayed and controlled using the new interface which we've added as well. So not only the HD screen, which makes it actually look better, but also the CarPlay and Android Auto module, which can connect with your phone and be able to sync all that kind of stuff across to your dashboard there. Really modernizes the dash for the older Astons. Of course, the styling will never age. However, that top interface there was really lacking. So it's great now we've got an option to upgrade these screens, not only the resolution and look, but also the functions and features of it. It also solves some problems which you might have with these older Aston Martin screens. A lot of the times the mechanism which pops this up can fail. So if you're wanting to fix that, refurbish the mechanics behind the pop-up screen, when you do that, it actually, like when you do order a kit like this, it comes with a refurbished mechanical system for the elevation of the screen there. So it won't be tired anymore. It won't stop at a place, or you push it up or something like that. You won't have to do that. So along with the upgrade comes actually fixing issues that you might have as well. This pocket here, which actually houses the control dial, we are able to supply and install a new deeper set version inside here. So the control dial is able to sit in, and you can still close this flap when it's not in use. Otherwise it's a little bit too big to actually fit in the factory pocket, along with the other stuff that you got going on as well. So sometimes if you've got a front camera, that'll be the switch to allow that front camera to happen, that'll be in here as well, and you'll have a switch to switch between the factory screen and the new Apple CarPlay screen in here. Close that up when you're driving. It all looks very, very original. If you'd like to talk about the options for getting this kind of thing installed in your car, we are a mobile operation. We're currently operating in southeast Queensland, but also we do take contracts on the east side of Australia as well. So if you find yourself in Sydney or even outside those areas, I'm quite happy to have a chat to you about coming down to where you are. If you have friends that are kind of wanting the same sort of thing, obviously they can share in the costs of travel time, opportunity cost, housing, and if you've got a space to do it, all that sort of stuff can be organised between you and your friends or club colleagues. We can go ahead and install these products for you where you are. So you can head to our website, connectedcarsolutions.com.au. We've got a contact us form. We've got information about these modules and what they do and how they work. This will be up on our YouTube channel. We've got some other videos about some of the other products we fit as well. Usually dealing with integration for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto into the factory screens, or doing upgrade screens like these to give you even better functionality and looks and feel for the car. So my name is Ben. Thank you for watching the video. You can contact us anytime you'd like. We'd be happy to have a chat, or through email, or if you'd like to call me 0439 014868. Thank you.